this video, I'll be unboxing the Audio-Technica RS50BT, and now let's get into it. Alright, here is the Audio-Technica ATH-SR50BT, and let's open up, see what's in there. So here goes another box. And as soon as you open it, here is a cover bag. The quality of the bag, I would say, is pretty good, and it's big. It's not small. And what's in there is the headset itself. Let's take it out and see. Okay, so that's the headset itself, and we're gonna put it aside and see if there is anything inside the box. Something that I like about Audio-Technica is because they, even on one of those lower price headset, they will still try to protect it without getting scratched. They put that on the cover so it doesn't get scratches during delivery. Here's what's inside the box. So first, you're gonna have a quick start guide. Like always, it's gonna have the quick starting guide to tell you about the control and what's the function in here. We're gonna get into it later of the video. Also, they have the charging cable. Yeah, it's still a USB-A cable and audio cable. All right, and then finally is the headset itself with a cover bag. The cover bag is, it feels like leather, but it's not. But it doesn't feel low quality though, and has the Audio-Technica logo on it. Okay, let's talk about what is some function that have in the headset itself. So first, at the bottom, we will have the charging port, audio jack, and a power button. It will be simply just push on and push off. If you push on, the Bluetooth button will be blinking, and here is the transparency mode, and I think it's the transparent mode or noise canceling mode. I'm not sure. And so for that button, if you tap it once, it will change the headset mode to either transparency or noise canceling. But if you hold it for a few seconds, it will be changing to Bluetooth pairing mode, which is the Bluetooth is gonna be blinking. And on the front is a touch panel. Simply, if you put your whole hand on top of the headset, it will be changing the headset mode to either transparency or noise canceling. And if you tap in the middle of the logo, it will be play and pause. Tap on the top of the logo will be volume up. At the bottom will be volume down. If you want to skip to the front, you can just simply swipe up, and swipe down will be skip back. For the quality wise, I think is pretty impressive because the whole body is made of high quality plastic, You might think the plastic is like cheap, but it's really not. You can see it can open up pretty wide, twist it around. And also the bone in here is a steel. It's either steel or aluminum, I'm not sure. But yeah, the quality is not bad. And the ear foam is just so soft. I don't know what to say about it. It's just not something that you can get for $100 as right now. Um, yeah, that will be about it for the headset itself. Okay, and here you go. That's the end of the video. I'll be posting a review on the SR50BT soon. If you are interested to watch a review on the headset, please subscribe to my channel. If this video helped, hit the like button, and thank you for watching the video.